So I'm on Vector Studio. So now let's select the shape tool. I'm going to select the rectangle tool. And now hold Shift key down and then create your rectangle. It will create a perfect square. So here it is. Now I'm going to remove the fill. So left click here and then click on this icon to remove the fill. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to add the 1 point stroke. Press 1, press enter. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm going to center my layer. Just make sure the snapping here is checked if I left click. So here are the features I checked. So now Ctrl J to duplicate the square. And now hold the Ctrl key and Shift key down and then scale down your square. Now I'm going to select everything. Make sure on the move tool I'm going to select everything. And then I'm going to group these layers here. So click on group. And now I'm going to duplicate this group layer. These two squares here. So Ctrl J to duplicate them. And now hold Shift key down and then rotate your layer. So here it is. And now I'm going to select everything. And now let's select the shape builder tool. Left click, select shape builder. The action is plus to create a new shape from selected areas. The drag method is freehand. The cleanup, I'm going to use all unused geometry. So it will remove all the shapes we don't select. I check the use style from selected area. So now I'm going to start my shape here. I'm going to left click here and then drag. I'm going to select this one and then select this one. So it will remove everything else. So here it is. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm going to remove these two group layers. So if I hide them, so it doesn't do anything for the first one and for the second one, same thing. So we just have this layer here. So now I'm going to add the gradient to this shape. So let's select the fill tool. The context is fill. The type, I'm going to change it to linear. So I'm going to place one of the handles down here and then one of the handles here up here like this. I'm going to left click on this one. I'm going to left click here on the gradient colors. So I'm going to change this one here. I'm going to left click on it, left click on the color. I'm going to change it to black. And then I'm going to left click on this one here. Left click on the color. I'm going to change it to black too. And now I'm going to left click here to create another color, left click. And then here I'm going to left click on the color. And now for this one, I'm going to change it to this blue here. And then I'm going to left click on this one. So as you can see, our shape here is adding gradients. And then I'm going to left click on the color to add another color. So I'm going to add, for example, I'm going to add this one here. So now let's select the move tool. So now click on the gear icon here. Check the enable transform origin. So this is the transform origin. So I'm going to move this circle here to the center. So I'm going to move it here, move it to the right. So as you can see, it snaps. And then I'm going to move it down until it snaps here. So here it is. It is in the center of our Canva. And now select the shape here. Make sure on the move tool, select the shape. Press enter. It will open the move and duplicate window. So I'm going to check the duplicate. I'm going to change the number of copies to 7. Double click, type 7. Press enter, and now I'm going to change the rotation to 45. Double click and then type 45 and then press enter. So here it is. And now just click on OK. And now I'm going to select everything. I'm going just to remove the outline. I'm going to group all the shapes here. Click on group. And now here you can, for example, increase or decrease the outline. So I'm going to remove the outline.